Mom, Dad, I can't find my science project. It's due tomorrow, and I've searched everywhere. I've checked my backpack, the kitchen table, even under the couch. It's vanished into thin air.
Don't worry, sweetie. I know how you feel. It happened to me once, too. I lost my history project the night before it was due. I felt like I was chasing my own tail.
Ha ha. Ah, yes. The night I spent frantically searching for my missing project, I ended up finding it tucked inside a box of old comic books. Sometimes, the things we're looking for are closer than we think. You've got to keep your chin up.
Where is it? Found it. It was under my bed. Thanks for the encouragement, guys.
You know, Emily has been decluttering lately. She's got a knack for finding things in the most unexpected places. She recently read that decluttering can help clear the mind, and she's been putting it into practice.
It's true. I've been rearranging the shelves, and I've put some of Lisa's old books in the basement. She's outgrown them anyway. Out with the old, in with the new. Right?
You're right, Mom. That sounds like a great idea.
Well, how was your day at work, honey? You haven't mentioned it.
Ugh, I had back-to-back meetings all day. I barely had time to catch my breath. It was a very busy day, and I'm glad to be home.